Hello everyone, welcome to the Samsung SC MX20 digital camcorder, shoot and share memory camcorder. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I'm going to be opening up the box, showing you what's inside, so let's get started on that. Okay, over here you have, in this bag, is the manuals and the software. Let's just open that up. I'm going to give you some brochures telling you about other stuff that they have. Quick start guide. This is the user manual right here, and the software CD. This is the user manual. Here is the software CD. Here's the pouch. You put the camera in. And while we're doing that, let's take the camera out. That's the camera. I can tell you it's quite small. I do have a big hand, but this is, as you can see, is a pretty small camera. I can almost put my entire hand around it. And it has an auto shut lens, so you don't even need a lens cap. You see this thing opens up when you turn it on. It's got this little grip that you can put your hands in. It's actually adjustable for the size hand that you have. Again, mine is a bigger one, so basically you just put that on like that. And this actually rotates. See, it goes like that. See, the grip itself turns, moves around like that. So that's the camera. And I'll tell you something, for something so small, pound for pound, I mean, it's got a 34 times optical zoom. So that, my friends, is pretty... I don't think a camcorder this size that's out there has a 34 times optical zoom. So let's see what else we get in the box. That's the camera. They give you a pair of USB cables. They also give you a pair of these TV cables to connect to your television, so you could watch all the footage you took on the camcorder directly to your TV. And you also have your battery pack. It's quite a small battery, as you can see. It actually just goes into this compartment right here. You open that up, and it just slides right in, like so. TV, and they give you a charger to plug the camera in, charge the battery. That, my friends, is basically it. So there you go. There's the unboxing of the Samsung SC MX20. I'm going to start taking some videos with it and do some tests, and we'll be uploading those videos shortly. Please leave comments. If you have any questions, please rate the video as well, and thank you for tuning in.